Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, at the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina. That's the one we're at right here. Okay. So yeah, literally just got here, threw my shit on the bed, and here we are. Security good. Light switch. Okay. We are in the main building. This has the most floors. There's a west and east building, so there are two other buildings here. They have like 4 floors. And the guy that checked me in did not get his name, but he was awesome. He did upgrade me to this main tower room with a balcony. The other rooms I had a king bed. Yeah, but it was in one of the other towers that are separated and it did not have a balcony. So I was like, I don't care about the king bed. I love the balcony. So yeah. Alright. Start. Bathroom. Got these sliding doors. Alright. Trendy. These doors do not seem to lock, so if you have your kids or something with you, keep that in mind while you're taking a shit or a shower. Okay. We have a backlit mirror. So guys, that seems not to be working. There's light bulbs back there. There's another switch. Sometimes this. No. Nope. Backlit mirror not working. Alright. Hair dryer, plenty of towels. We got this nice modern looking toilet. We'll flush for all you toilet people. Better water pressure than Hampton and Alexandria, that's for sure. It's a Toto. You find 2 things of toilet paper. We got a nice shower, nice tile. Shower door. Our bath amenities. Shower controls. We got 2 different kinds of shower heads. This already has a shower head. That's not a ceiling, but still a random shower head. And nice core fixtures. Nice shower. Looking forward to using that. Oh, okay, guys. So I do stand corrected. They shut this. They did follow the lock situation here. See, just latch that. Um. So yeah. So no one can open the door. So that's nice that you included that. Um. You could probably see through the crack there and see into the bathroom there. So not that private, but it's nice that they included that. A lot of these places with the sliding bathroom door don't have a lock, so you can tell it's an older building. These doors here, I like this, you can tell, I like stuff like that. Not that big of a deal. Here's our closet. Light comes on. Oh, I'll show you. Boom, boom. Light comes on when you open the closet door. I like that feature. Shelvings, laundry bag, stuff right there. Iron, safe. Yep, that's your closet. Okay, here's your room. This has 2 double beds. Mirror. Got our nice sized TV. Got our coffee maker down there. And check this out, guys. Soft closed drawers. Quality furniture. Got a nice fridge. Boom. Nice and clean. Don't put your non-perishables in there. There is no microwave in here. Keep that in mind. 2 bottles of water. A little table. Yeah, it's a little scratched up, but yeah. Still not bad. So we got a little table, a chair here. Got an outlet, USB. This nice lamp. This light is on a dimmer right here. This is a cool accent piece that they did all around here. I think that's pretty cool. Outlets by the bed. Got this wireless charger and alarm clock. Matches with the wood here. It's cool. Scan here for the guest service directory. Here's the address if you want to stay here. Room 1416. Here's a bed. Let's test it. Oh yeah, man, this is definitely a soft one. It's like, it looks like a memory foam type deal situation. There are nice linens here. You know, it looks clean. I don't have to go too in depth. We do not have a fitted sheet on here. Just a regular sheet, not a fitted sheet. You know, not that big of a deal. Bed bug protector. So, yeah, no fitted sheet. That's the only thing to really say about the bed here. Got some pillows. Pillows look fine. Got these decorative type things. But like a memory foam mattress, it seems like. Be nice to sleep on. It's a cool little thing here on the wall. Alright. This is nighttime. I'm doing this. Here's a balcony. Here's a locked door. If you're wondering if you're staying here. Got these nice big windows. Here's our balcony. You got 2 chairs and a table. We got this bridge. I don't know where it goes to. Never been to Fort Lauderdale before. Definitely want to have to be tomorrow for sure. Front entrance, belly area, parking lot. There's one building there. And I'm guessing that's all they're building, the rooms there. It looks like they do connect. Would be my guess. Looks like they do connect, so you don't have to walk outside. Yeah, it looks like the other buildings do connect. So, got more parking there for that building. So, that was my question, if you had to walk outside, if you're in the west and east building, but it looks like they do connect to the main building here. This is good. Well, there's a marina. We've got a boat or yacht or whatever right here. So, yep. Nice little balcony. Good shit. Alright. Here's another look at the room right here. Shut that. Alright, let's go over our amenities. There is a resort fee here. I think it was like $30 a night or something. So I know it's cheaper than what you'd be getting if you're on a beach, I believe. So right here, actually, we put this down right here so you can figure out the best way of doing this. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we got this. Sort of looks like our main restaurant here. Olive and Sea. Dockside Provisions. Some shit like that. All right. Pool Bar and Grill. Market Delivery. Ocean Blue Gift Shop. Scan there if you want to check all that out. Here's your list of what you're going to get with your resort fee. Unlimited top tier internet. Haven't tested that. Daily round trip beach shuttle, which is good. Definitely going to use that tomorrow. To the beach 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. To the hotel back 1:30, 3:35. Get 2 hours of water daily. Beach towels for beach use daily. Yeah, over here resort fee. You guys know the norm. I'm staying here on employee rate. 113 bucks after tax, 50 bucks a night. And the one thing about Hilton with the Hilton employee rate, which makes it the best, as they call team member rates, that makes it the best employee rate system here. You do not have to pay. You do not have to pay resort fees. So you're not paying a room here, so I don't have to pay resort fees. So 113 bucks for here. This is like pretty tits. You're gonna look at the bathroom. Um, yeah, and they have an outdoor pool as well. So yeah, you want to be by the marina and you don't want to be on the beach and you want to have access to the beach, you have that beach shuttle there, which is pretty nice. That's nice for being off, for not being right on the beach. So luckily this was available. I actually flew into Miami and couldn't find any hotels in Miami on employee rates, and this was the only thing I could find. And just so you know, it's a 38-minute Uber drive from MIA, Miami International Airport, to Fort Lauderdale. If anybody is wondering that. So, yep. Taking a lower pan of the room. And, yeah, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe, and KW out.